Hi guys, this is the video I promised to release about the 3 young birds I have for sale from 784. 784 is the yearling late bred, raised in 2016, Berlin National 924 km. You can see it. He's paired up. He's been paired up this year with the checker hen. The checker hen also raced Berlin National. I think it was in about 2014 or 2015. I don't remember. She's 323 national. So she won the place 323 national. Both these birds have never been trained, basket trained, neither before the race or during the racing season. They've been kept only on preventive natural treatments that are present on my videos, and 5 of their youngsters were sold, and I've got 3 left for sale. So whoever's interested, I'm going to post the email in the description of this video and you can contact me. So again guys, this is 784. 784 raced this year 3 speed middle distances for up to 330 km. He has a price on 550 km long distance race, and he has price on another 2 marathon races this year. The first marathon race was 1005 km, and then he raced again Berlin National, which took place last week. He has scored that as well. Berlin National was 993 km. So 5784. The strain of this cock is a cross. I bred the bird. The mother is a checker pied hen, Hugo Battenberg, John Ardeen, and the father of this bird is a grandson of Cannibal from Dick Van Dyke. The father of this bird was a blue cock. So the mother is John Ardeen via Hugo Battenberg, and the father, blue cock, a grandson of Cannibal from Dick Van Dyke. An excellent bird. So is the hen. Extremely good vitality on this bird. He came on a second day, 9:30. Most of the birds came on the second day after release. He came on 9:30, didn't land on the floor, just went straight to the hen and the baby. And then on the afternoon training he was the first to go out. So the vitality on this bird is absolutely phenomenal. I'm going to show you the bird. She's very, very protective to the nest. This bird here is again, she raced Berlin National and she took the prize 323. I think there was about 3,600 or 3,700 pigeons. She's a 2011 669024. The mother of this bird was the granddaughter of first international Barcelona from Wien Leuven, and the father of this hen was a dark checker cock. The strain was Van der Wegen. So I've paired up this pair this year. I put them together. And now I'm going to present you the 3 youngsters I have got left for sale for this year. Okay, so I'm going to start with the oldest one. This is the first one. Ring number, stay here. Three 35140. 35140. It's gonna be a checker. I think it's gonna be a cock. All these birds exercise now around the loft. He's on the 4th primary molting stage. So again, the direct son of 2 American pigeons. I'm going to show you another bird. I think it's going to be a hen. This bird I'm holding now and the one on top I'm going to show you soon. They are nest brothers or sisters, I don't know. Ring number 035130. It's a checker. Okay. The last one. I think this bird is gonna be a cock as well. Try get the full wing. Ring number 035127. 035127. Again the wing. And the other wing. So these are the 3 youngsters I will have for sale from this marathon pair pigeons. So again, he has raced in 2016 5 speed and middle distance races up to 400 km. 784 raced 2 long distance races last year, and then he also raced Berlin National 924 km. And this year he has raced 3 speed and middle distance races up to 330 km, 1 long distance 550, he's got a price on that, and then he has 2 marathon races 1005 km, and then he has raced Berlin National 993 km, he's got a price on that as well. Okay, if interested, I'm going to post email in the description, send me an email and we can talk further. Thanks a lot.